has a home. Horses also have a home, and we call it stable. So today, we are going to make stable roof with straw. Things required are straws, pencil colors, scissor and Fevicol. Let's color the grass green around the stable. You can choose any color of your choice. Add your creativity to make the picture look more beautiful. Already given to match your color. Use very soft hand for orange color to gel with the gate. Once the coloring is completed, we will paste the straws. Now, we take the size of the straw, cut it and paste it at the right place. And with this, the stable roof is ready. Now it's time to make a scarecrow activity. And for that, we need plastic crayons, Fevicol, pencil. Let's start coloring the picture. All color samples are given in the book, so use the same color. Kite papers are given in your book, so tear yellow and red paper from the book. Keep the kite paper on the dress of the scarecrow from the bottom. Take the shape with the help of the pencil. We are going to make the frill. Fold it into a half and make parallel cut on it. Apply very light Fevicol over it because it is a kite paper. And and make a beautiful dress like this. In the similar way, we can also cut red and yellow paper. Now, apply it firmly. Now it's time to color the dress of the scarecrow light blue. Use blue color. Make gloves in grey color. With this, scarecrow is ready.